Hi all, welcome back to Crisp Creations. Today I am unboxing a Breville 1800 watt convection toaster oven with Element IQ in silver. I bought this toaster because I planned to host the holidays at my house and I needed an extra oven that could heat up the side dishes while the turkey is roasting in my actual oven. It comes with a manual, a crumb tray that goes under the door, a round tray for pizzas, cookies, or cinnamon rolls, and square tray with slits that fits right onto the square pan for your meats so that the grease catches into the pan. The toaster itself is 18.5 inches width, 15 3/4 depth, and 11 inches high, and weighs 22 pounds. Ensure that you have the counter space, as it's a hefty toaster. It comes in red as well if you prefer bold colored appliances. It has the capacity for 6 slices of toast, 13-inch pizza, or a whole chicken. This toaster oven has 9 preset functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy roasting, toasting, and baking. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos.